Good morning, everybody. I thought I would just walk you through your homework a little bit because I should have gone in depth, a little bit more in depth than I did in class on Wednesday. So just to confirm, you guys are going to go to the Class Camino page, and then you're going to start with modules. And this first week 0 here is just looking at the syllabus, the calendar, all of that, the materials that you guys are buying. You have to do that, at least look at it in order to get to our first real module with gesture and construction. So you'll see that this takes us from the 4th to the 11th. Every module will have a homework section, right? So if you scroll through, you can see that there's homework for every module. All of the homework is going to be done in your sketchbook. And remember, it's not going to be charcoal. You're going to do something like graphite pencil, or even ballpoint pen can be really great. Excuse me. So you'll click on the homework. And there I've just kind of reiterated that you don't want to use charcoal. So for this week, your homework is to first watch these videos. Actually, not these videos. Watch the videos on gesture. So let me go back to the modules, and you'll see gesture resources. So you'll click on that. And here is the reading that I'm asking you to do about gesture. And then here are the videos. None of them are too long. And I don't expect you to draw exactly like he does. But like I said on Wednesday, I think his analytical approach is really, really useful just to watch, because he's very good at breaking down the form into kind of simpler, more simple concepts. So you'll watch all of these. And then if I go back here, then I come to the homework. So you don't have to watch them while you're doing the homework, right? You watch those ahead of time. And then your actual homework is to first copy steps 1 through 4 in Villepeu. And Villepeu was a really famous animator. He was influential in establishing CalArts, and he was at Disney for a really long time. So he has a real animation style, which is not what I'm asking you to do with your work, but again, I think his approach is really helpful. So I'm asking you to copy these, which seems, sort of simple, but it's nice to kind of get a feeling for these forms, because these are things you're going to be doing every day. So 1, 2, you're adding necks and sort of curved kind of spines or axes to the heads. Then you're continuing down through legs. So you're copying these, yes. Then you're adding arms and hands, feet. But you can see they're still really, really simple. Okay, so this is step 4 here. So those are the images that you're actually copying into your sketchbook. Then what I'm asking you to do is to do your own gesture drawings for these 2 videos. So they're starting with, they're 2 minutes, and you'll see when you click on them that sometimes there's just 1 image, right? And sometimes there are 2 images. When there are 2 images like this, you can go ahead and just choose 1. I'm not asking you to do both of them, yes. Okay, so I'm not really concerned what style of gesture you do. You could do a combination of the styles that we did in class on Wednesday. So kind of the scribble gesture, the elliptical mass gesture. If you're going to do a shorter, yeah, let's just stick, never mind with that. Let's just stick with the scribble gesture and the elliptical mass gesture. I think that's going to be fine. If you want to try some of the more animation techniques from the videos, please, by all means, go for it. I love it. That's great. Because we are going to start incorporating a little bit of that into the class starting on Monday. Okay, so please feel free. So don't worry about construction right now. It's going to be later. It'll be our next homework assignment. And to do these gesture drawings for these 2, you're looking at about an hour, essentially. So probably an hour for the gesture drawings with the videos, probably another, I don't know, 45 minutes to do the reading and then copy the 4 steps, and then probably another half hour for watching the gesture videos. So it's a couple of hours, 3 maybe, but less than you'll actually be having as you move forward in the class. Keep in mind you should make your drawings pretty small because your sketchbook isn't very big, and I don't want you to have to buy a million sketchbooks by the end of the quarter. So start small with your gestures. I'm looking forward to seeing you on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody.